Hello everybody, so I wanted to do this video today. It's a box of goodies that I was sent by the folks over at YesStyle. So yeah, it's just a bunch of skincare, beauty kind of stuff. So I have had a look through it before and there's some good stuff in here. So I will start off with this, which is a, what brand is this? I don't even know. It's a little makeup bag and it has got inside it snail bee items. Okay, maybe you'll be able to see a little bit better if I get a little bit close to the camera. So snail bee. This is a, I've just thrown stuff on the floor, a high content lotion, a snail bee high content cream, steam cream. Remember when they were the thing, the hip and happening thing that was going on. This one is high content skin, just skin, high content skin. And then this one is a ultimate serum. Pretty cool. So that is what is in there. I haven't tried any of it yet, but it still looks cool. There's this, which is Peach Sea Soft Mood eyeshadow palette, which I shall attempt to open up and show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then here are the colours. I've had a little look at this before and it looks so pretty. I can't wait to try that out. Might use that tomorrow, I think. This one is a Madisa Relief Essence. I think I've had something from this brand before. And I think that this is generally for like if you have bad skin. And I have quite bad skin, so that's handy to have. Next, this one is a MAC Cara Long Lash Curling Mascara. Looks like this. And that is the wand. Pretty cool. I don't like recording on this camera for these sorts of videos. Like, I like the up close, the fact that it focuses, but in this lighting it's terrible. Then we have AC Spot Fighting Spot RX Cream. Red Spot Care Cream that soothes blemishes and keeps skin clear. So that's always handy to have. Next, Revenectin Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion, Advanced Formula, Hypoallergenic. So it's that. It's like a really, it's not as, it's a little bit thicker than water, but yeah, it's pretty damn good. Next, this is a heavy one. This one is Aromatica Vitalizing Rosemary Concentrated Essence Vegan Formula. This is really heavy, so this is like in a proper heavyweight glass bottle. Does it smell of rosemary? I can't even think what rosemary smells like. It smells a little bit like vinegar. In the bottle anyway. I don't know how much it'd smell like it using it on the skin, but that's pretty cool. Then we have this, which has awesome packaging. This is by Jenny House, and this is an Ultra Fit Serum Cushion. So it's essentially like a BB cream kind of thing, but look at that packaging. That's amazing. So this is a set as well, so I believe you get two things. Yeah, you get in the bottom there, you get a refill, and then this is the actual product. The really cute little cushion thing. And then you lift up this, and that is the product. You just bounce this on there and then bounce it on your skin. I've had these before and I love them, so that's a really good one. I'm looking forward to using that properly. Then we've got a couple of face masks. This one is a Avajar. Don't know if that's how you pronounce it. It is Perfect Neck Age Wrinkle Control Mask. It's like that. And this is just one piece. And it's got step 1, which I'm assuming is like a cleanser thing. And then this is what you put on your neck. It's all in Korean, so I'm not 100% sure how to use it. We have these, which are Perfect V Lifting. These again by Avajar. Perfect V Lifting Premium Plus Masks. From Neck to Cheek Full Care Plus. And these you kind of put on under your jaw. Don't know how well these work, but I've kind of wanted to try them. So yeah, that's really cool. How many of these do you get? You get 5 of these. Are these similar? These ones you just kind of open up and put on. So you keep it on for 3 to 4 hours. I can read that part. So that's pretty good. Wonder if it works. Who knows? So yeah, that is everything that Yes Style sent me. I really like all of these products. I can't wait to test them out. If there's anything that you particularly want to see a video on, then please let me know. I will try my best to make it for you. And yeah, again, sorry this camera angle is not good and the lighting is not good. I'm aware of this. It's pretty late on at night, but usually this camera is the one that I record with. It's a Samsung, what is it? MV900F. I usually record with this. It's a really cheap camera, but I really like the sound quality of it and the light of it, like the colour contrast. It's Samsung, so the contrast is always going to be amazing because it's Samsung. This that I'm using now is a Sony. It's the orange one that I've showed before, and I think I like it for like unboxing videos where it's just like me unboxing something and holding it up to the camera, but I don't like it for these sort of things. This works a lot better and I love this camera because it's got the flippy uppy screen as well. The only thing I don't like about this is the fact that the camera doesn't have autofocus, so once you're kind of stuck there, it's like it or lump it pretty much. And this one, I don't know if you can see, but the quality of the camera is really good. Holding stuff up here, like where the light is, it's really good, but the further back you are, like, it can't pick up any of the light source, so it's really dark, so it looks like it's just a floating head. Whereas with the other camera you can see everything and it's lit nicer and everything, but it is what it is. And yeah, I just wanted to do this video. So thank you so much for watching, please subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios!